ओके, तो अभी चलते हैं हम लोग, थोड़ा घूम के आते हैं। ये बाइक यूज़ करूँगा मैं और ये हमारा घर है। So it's like a chal, you know, it's like a chal. What do you say that? A chal. So I will use this bike. I have to go to 10 kilometers from here after crossing. After crossing Curtorim, this is my town. So, and this is the main road which will connect to the Savate, Chandor. This will take to the Curtorim from here. So I am going to Santimoll, which is in Raia. So from here it's a 9-kilometer distance. So I will ride this bike at the speed of 45. I will use short cut road from the mountain. That will make me short, and I'll try to show you even that road. So from here it's Girdolium is last, and this is the Curtorim town. This is called Akshay. Okay, from here I'm going to left. This side. So I'll climb this mountain. Then I will use the slope where I can switch off my bike, switch off my engine. So most of the time I use this road when I'm not in hurry. So I'll go slowly by turning off my engine, so engine can live longer life easily. But when I'm in hurry, I have to rush faster where I want to reach faster. Then I'm taking that other bike and using that road also, so that I can reach faster. But when I use this road, it means I don't have much. I'm not in hurry to rush. So this place is called Akshem, from where I have started the left turn. So this is, people live here. Then here it's nothing. So this is like this. Here's the cross. Because of at the night, people should not get afraid at this place, so they have little bit courage. The Lord, this is the house, and one more house is there, that side, and even this house. Okay. From here I will turn my engine off. So this will take me 1 kilometers downhill. So I will go from here without any engine issue. From here it's houses now. this slope. Only few vehicles comes on this way. Only the locals use this road, and people like me use this. All others people go from that main road there. I'll show you where this connects now. I'll turn the engine again off. So from here I will reach in the market of Curtorim straight away, and from the cemetery, graveyard, and that's the church there. Here this is the graveyard, there's the football ground there, and there's the church. So it's a huge football ground of this village, Curtorim, and there's the church. I'm in the market of Curtorim now, so I'll take the right from here. This is garden of Curtorim. So medical store, only one, and this is the market. Church, guys, but I have shooted this in many videos of mine. Okay, and this is the lake. They make Christmas cards in their lake here. I have shooted this place before also. You won't be able to see properly maybe, guys, because the sunlight is on my face from this side. And this is a farming area. This place, it's a huge farming area. The school, St. Xavier, but it's closed now because of Corona. Where I'm heading at that santimoll spot there. I just have 5 minutes of work there, then I will return back from that place. Okay, this bike gives me around 75 to 80 kilometers. That's why I use this bike in short rides and most of the long ride also. When I have enough of time, then I'm taking this bike out. So I can save some petrol also on this bike. This bike is very easy and nimble to ride in cities and all. Maximum speed what I am riding on this bike is 45 kilometers per hour. It can run up to 50, but I only run at the green spot in the meter there, so I don't want to give any pressure on this bike because of that. See, it's almost you see there is 9,200 78 kilometers I've ridden till now in 11 months maybe for this bike till now. And this is the minor Curtorim area, guys. This is the last part of this area, the Salset in South Goa. That side is the river, a huge river, and that belongs to other area called like Shiroda, Ponda Taluka. So this from here is Margaon town is 4 kilometers from this spot. So I'm taking right from this place now, and this is called Gandhi Road area. Once I have shooted all volleyball tournaments at that place there, in that area. So I'm taking this road from here. It's you can say like 2.5 kilometers maybe. So I'm heading that side, and even that place has even we can go to Shiroda from this place also, this road. People here, Sebastian. This small pond, there are lots of birds there. Even in this area you can see lots of birds, like migrant birds come from the different parts of the world. They come and gather at this place. Even I have made a video on that place before, but it's very deep there, and they can eat something different in this place. That's why maybe, even I don't know the reason, perfect reason for this, but now it's nothing here, no birds at this place. Maybe they left because of season time is getting over maybe. This guy is doing dairy. They have lots of buffalo, milk buffalo that they make, and this is the junction of this place. This road goes to ferry boat, and this Santimoll here, and this Margaon. So I'm going little bit further there, and from that place I will stop the video. So this is called santimoll. Okay, and this is the SBI. I have account in this bank here. So Okay.